Good evening and thanks for joining us here on the news at 10. Today, Governor Little activated the Idaho National Guard again to help with the impacts of COVID-19 in Idaho. This is the fourth time he has activated the Guard since the start of the pandemic. Katya Stepovic spoke with the Guard and the agencies they will be helping. Katya, where are their efforts going this time?
Well, Brian, a little bit of all over the place. More than 70 guardsmen will be helping out at primary health care clinics and the Idaho Department of Correction because both are seeing an unprecedented staffing shortage. The Idaho National Guard was deployed for the first time to provide COVID relief nearly 2 years ago.
That is our motto. We're always ready, always there. And we've certainly gotten good at the COVID response. This will be the fourth time.
Lieutenant Colonel Christopher Bowers with the Idaho National Guard says starting tomorrow, personnel will file in and report to Gowan Field to find out whether they are assigned to assist at primary care clinics or the Idaho Department of Correction, and they're ready for it.
We've been watching the numbers just like everyone else has, so this was by no means a surprise. We were prepared to respond quickly.
The 31-day order will send 30 guardsmen to primary health.
Today, we have 4 clinics closed. This last weekend, we had 7 clinics closed. We hope that with the National Guard, we can get back to normal hours. We can open up our clinics, and now we can begin to see more patients.
The hope is that guardsmen can help primary care staff catch up on testing and administering vaccines and take over some administrative tasks that have boggled down staff.
Patients that come in with COVID are more complicated because their chronic diseases haven't been addressed. And so with the National Guard, we can do our normal thing in a sense and address people with their normal medical needs.
The order will also send 30 guardsmen and women to the Idaho Department of Correction at a time where the need for support is at an all-time high.
As of this morning, I have 201 staff in the Department of Correction who are either out with COVID or who are out because of a direct exposure to someone else who tested positive.
The support will take place at 3 institutions in the South Boise complex as help for security staff.
What that means, passing meals, helping with tier checks, helping with counts, being able to free up our security staff who are post-certified to focus on their important function.
And maybe the fourth time will be the last time the Guard is needed for COVID relief.
We are always, on standby waiting to receive a request for assistance. That's the nature of what we do, whether it's here at home or across the globe. We're the Idaho National Guard, and we're ready to respond.
Governor Little also said he secured 503 additional personnel through a state contract to assist Idaho hospitals overwhelmed by COVID-19 as well. Now, in a statement, he says, in part, "I am proud of our men and women of the Idaho National Guard who have stepped up time and time again to help our state and communities get through an unprecedented, challenging time. The strain on healthcare, schools, businesses, and government from the spread of COVID-19 is a reminder that we are not out of the pandemic." And Brian, we all know that is certainly the case.
Absolutely, as evidenced by what is happening with mutations right now. Thank you very much, Katya.